Good evening, folks. Mark here in the Fan Cave. What you're looking at today is a Hunter in brush nickel finish. I'm not 100% sure what the model name is. Maybe you guys can help me with that. I'd appreciate it. It's Saturday, April 13th. Ironically enough, got this fan from a really nice couple that I'm friends with. Like one of my best friends lives next door, and you know, I watch her dog, and sometimes, and they watch her dog when you know, a lot of times as well. So I got to become really good friends with them, and yeah, they knew that I like fans, and swapped this fan out for a Hunter Cassius, and you know, offered it to me. So yep, I've got it now, and start off on high. Medium. Low. Turn the lights on here. And now for the spin down. Yeah, it has the reversible blades, dark wood on this side and light wood on the other. Yeah, the only thing missing, there was a blade screw missing, but I had some extras, so I was able to, the bracket screw, I should say. So I got those, I was able to get that in there, and one of these little screws for the canopy is missing, but you know, the two that are on there are enough. It's not really crucial to its functionality. Yeah, it was in their kitchen, so it was I had to clean it off, shine it all up. Kitchen fans. It actually wasn't bad for a kitchen fan. I've seen some with, like, you know, an inch of grease on top. This was obviously taken pretty well, you know, pretty good care of. But yeah, I'll show you the top of it. Here's the Hunter symbol. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.